Hey, good day everyone. I'm excited to bring you these solar lamps for an unboxing and review. Alright, in each box you get 2 solar lights. So actually today I'll be doing 4 of them. And I want to point out the very first thing that sticks out to me with these things is head and shoulders above the rest of these solar lights. My first key was the fact that it came with this Type-C charger. One of the major benefits of these is you have the option of charging them with the sun, or you can charge them with this USB and a Type-C connector, which is really great because, you know, in the Northwest, areas where you're not getting a lot of sun during the winter time or during the day, you can utilize this option because a lot of times solar lights, if you're not getting a lot of sun, they're not going to be as bright. You can fix that problem with this right here. So you can just pull them up and charge them up. Just goes right in there, a Type-C connector, and the other one can go wherever you can have some power to charge up your USB car, wall, you know, charger, you name it. So this is a great option. I love it. And look at this, it's not going to get all flooded in there too because it's got a nice cap for it to keep the water out. That's real nice. So there it is, putting the hitting the power. I'll turn the light off. Just kind of take a look at it here. And it has the white light, the yellow light, a little bit of a different kind of a cool white, super bright there, and back to yellow. You don't have to separately put a screw in there. It's just got this nice little wing nut here for adjustment. And then this just plugs in here, and then you stick that in the ground like that, and then you're done. Well, here's another function of them too, that another option for you is that you can actually mount them to the wall if you want. You don't have to use this. This is just for sticking in the ground. It comes with some mounting screws too, and what these are for is if you don't want to stick it in the ground, you can set that aside and you can just mount it to a fence or something like that. These would be great fence post lights. And just mount them there, or to a wall, you know, to your house, wherever you want them, you got that option. For me, I'm going to go ahead and be sticking these in the ground.